subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched the successor of last year launched Realme C25 smartphone in Thailand as Realme C35 with a cool looking design. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C35 features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a tall 90.7% screen to body ratio and a maximum 600 nits of peak brightness. Under the hood, the phone is powered by an octa-core Uni-SoC T616 chipset paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C35 supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.8 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP AI featured camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box based on Realme UI R Edition skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.4 by 75.6 by 8.1mm and it weighs around 189 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C35 has been priced in Thailand for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 5,799 Thai baht, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 6,299 Thai baht, and the details for the 6GB RAM option is yet to announce by the company. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in glowing black and glowing green color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C35 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.